everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a review of something new product, or you can say a new yarn to work with. It is called Macrame Dory, and it is also a type of yarn. You can say we can use it to crochet. Basically it is also used for knitting or any no, it is not basically used for knitting, but it is used to make some decorative wall hangings or something like that. But this time I am using it for crochet. So it is a local yarn available here in Pakistan, and you can find it anywhere at the craft store. The best quality macrame dory. This is called basically macrame dory. It is a type of string, you can say. So it comes like this, and how does it work? You simply have to take this off. Okay, so and for this I am using 3.5 mm hook, because it seems to me comfortable if I'm using 3.5 mm hook. So this is the quantity in one bundle, or in one slot, you can say. So, and what I have made with this is, see, this is the another color, and this is the small clutch I have been making with it. So, but you have to be careful in this manner that all the knots should be in the wrong side, because its length is not obviously not enough for any of the product you are making. So you definitely need a good quantity of this yarn. So it comes in this much small quantity. Might be coming in the bigger quantity, but at my place only this much was available, so I bought many of them. Like I bought dozen of them. So in this, approximately 5 to 6 bundles were needed to make this small clutch, and it is also not very expensive. And see, this is the one I am working with. This is another clutch I am making, and in this I'll show you how it works. It's very easy, and the thing becomes, the product which you are making is also, it looks very nice. You can also make baskets with it. You can also make anything you like, but you cannot definitely not make any garments or any product which can be wearable. So this was it. I thought it was something new to crochet, and I thought to share it with all of you. And many of my friends were also asking what is macrame dory and how it works, how it looks. So this is how it looks, and this is how it works. So I hope you found it useful, and do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Please do comment, and don't forget to click on the bell button so that you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. Thank you so much. Have a great day.